Hello everyone, this is Wahid from TradEcho. In this video, I will show you how you can reset your WordPress website, just like your mobile phone. Let's say you have a website and you want to delete everything and reset it, just like you reset your mobile phone. To do this, we just need a new plugin. So we go to the plugins and click on this add new. Here we need to search for WP Reset. This is our plugin. Install it, activate it. Before resetting my website, I want to show you what is currently available on my website. You can see there is a lot of content on my website and I want to reset it and delete everything. You can see there are a lot of plugins. To reset it, I just need to go to the tools and select this WP Reset. Scroll down and here you can select if you want to reactivate current theme, and select this if you want to reactivate this reset plugin, and select this if you want to activate all available plugins. I just want to reset everything, so I just need to type here reset. After typing reset, you just need to click on this reset site and then click this reset WordPress. It will start resetting your WordPress website. Once it is done, your website is fresh, completely new. If you like this video, please subscribe to my YouTube channel and see you in the next video. Thank you.